When you need to turn off your computer, it is important to shut it down properly. Do not unplug the computer or interrupt its power source, as doing so could damage files or corrupt data. To shut down the computer in Windows 11, click the Start button in the taskbar to display the Start menu. Then click the Power button in the lower right corner of the Start menu to display a menu of power options. In this menu, you may see commands such as lock, sleep, shut down, and restart. To turn off the computer, select the Shut Down command. Alternatively, you can right-click the Start button in the taskbar to display a menu of system commands. Then position your mouse pointer over the Shut Down or Sign Out command to display a side menu. From this menu, you may see commands such as Sign Out, Sleep, Shut Down, and Restart. Selecting the Sign Out command signs you out of your account while leaving the computer running. Selecting the Sleep command places the computer into a low power state so you can quickly resume your work. Selecting the Shut Down command turns off the computer. Selecting the Restart command turns off the computer and then immediately turns it back on. After selecting the Shut Down command, Windows may take a few moments to close all programs and turn off the computer. Wait until the computer has completely powered off before turning off the power supply or unplugging it if necessary. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.